Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 846 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to be trying out my first ever Hourglass product. This is the Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick that I got in my BoxyCharm box, so I'll have my unboxing video of my BoxyCharm boxes linked in the description down below. I got this in the shade Rose Gold Flash, and I'm so excited. I have heard so many amazing things about Hourglass products and I've been wanting to try them out for so long, but they're expensive. This retails for $42, but I got it for a great deal in my BoxyCharm box. I'm just kind of bummed because when I opened it up, it was smushed. It's only slightly smushed, but that just kind of takes away from the perfection of it, the luxe feel, because this packaging is so nice. I'm just so bummed that it's smushed like that. So it twists up, and I'm going to start out by doing a little swatch. Check out this shade. Ooh, it's very pretty. Like, I love a rose gold, but I'm just afraid it might be a little too dark for my skin tone to be a cheek highlighter. Very nice texture, creamy, blendable. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out anyways, and we'll see how it works out. So I'm just gonna draw a little bit on to the high points of my cheek and blend it out. I love the cream texture, very blendable. Nice shine to it. Okay, I went in with a very little bit. I feel like I can go in with some more now. And layer it up. Yeah. The color is not great for me. It looks like a streak of darker colored highlighter, which I am very bummed about because I wanted to use this as a cheek highlighter, but it's just too dark and unnatural, and I'm pretty unlikely to get any tanner this summer because I just keep my skin so protected. But if by chance I do get a tanner face, maybe I do some sunless tanning, this could work on a darker complexion. It's really pretty, that metallic shine. It gives a wet skin look, and it looks nice on the skin, but it does kind of emphasize texture. My skin looks very bumpy, whereas before I applied the highlighter, it didn't even look that bumpy. So just all around not super flattering for me. But I love the reflection, the glow of it. It looks so dewy. Why don't I try a little brow highlight? This shade could at least work with different eyeshadow looks on the brow bone, even on the eyelid. But I like that as a brow highlight. That's nice and reflective. I definitely feel like from a distance, even on camera, it looks pretty good. Like if I just was taking photos, wasn't going to see anyone in person, which, I mean, quarantine days, not really seeing people in person anyways, this would be fine, but it's truly not flattering when you look at it up close, regular distance from talking to someone, because it looks like a streak of color and it's very, very bumpy. I am kind of disgusted by how bumpy my skin looks. I didn't realize it was so textured. And maybe it's not, maybe it's just the product making it look that way, but wow, that is not cute. Oh, so I have not been having the best of luck with these new brands that I was so excited about. Like, I tried out the Milk makeup product yesterday that I wasn't crazy about. I'm not crazy about this Hourglass product. It doesn't mean that I don't want to try out any more products from these brands, but it's just when I have so much excitement and high hopes for them and then I don't end up loving them, it makes me really bummed. And it's also kind of a bummer that I can't return the products or exchange them for the correct shade for me. I feel like Ipsy is really good at giving me the right shade matches for my skin tone, but BoxyCharm doesn't seem to be as good. Like, if I could get this in a lighter shade, I'd be so excited. Same goes for that Milk makeup product. If I could get that in a different tone, I would like it more, but that's the risk you take with these beauty subscription boxes, is you don't get to choose the shade and you can't exchange it. I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite Hourglass products are. I feel like it's kind of unlikely that I would want to splurge on an Hourglass product, but maybe the day will come where I feel like dropping that much money on it, so I'd love to have some recommendations. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.